Good morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we will start chapter number 4, time. So in this chapter we learn tell time by the clock to the nearest hour, name the days of week in proper order and name the month of a year in proper order. So let's start. Telling the time. A clock tells us time. It has two hand. मतलब क्लॉक हमें क्या बताती है कि क्या टाइम हो रहा है. ओके, सो क्लॉक टेल अस टाइम एंड इट हैज टू हैंड. तो सो टू हैंड्स होते हैं क्लॉक में. सो दिस इज अ क्लॉक. सो इन क्लॉक देयर आर द 12 नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 12. So those number shows the 12 hours and the two hand. Long hand is called minute hand. So this is the long hand. This long hand is called as the minute hand. And short hand, the short hand is called as the hour hand. So hour show करने के लिए small hand होता है and minute show करने के लिए long hand होता है. So long hand is called minute hand and short hand is called hour hand. In this clock the long hand points to 12. So इस clock में क्या है, जो long hand है वो point कर रहा है 12 पे and the short hand point to 2 and short hand is on point 2. So it is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock is written as 2. ओके, सो 2 o'clock इस वे से लिखा जाता है. अगर लॉन्ग हैंड 12 पे है एंड शॉर्ट हैंड 2 पे है, सो इट विल बी 2 o'clock. एक्सरसाइज 1. लुक एट द क्लॉक एंड राइट. सो यहाँ पे क्लॉक दिए गए हैं, आपको वो क्लॉक देखने हैं और टाइम लिखना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्लॉक इज short hand is on 6 and long hand is on 12. So what time does Ali wake up? So here जो short hand है वो 6 पे है and long hand 12 पे है. So it is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Next, in next watch both hands on a 12. Means short hand is on a 12 and long hand is also on a 12. So it will be 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. What time does Ali eat lunch? At 12 o'clock. Next is short hand is on 4 and long hand pointed to the 12. So what time does Ali return home? It's 4 o'clock. In last watch, short hand is on 9 and long hand is on 12. What time does Ali go to bed? 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. Exercise number 2. What the time? So here short hand is on 4 and long hand is on 12. It means 4 o'clock. You can write time like this, 4 o'clock. Then short hand is on 6 and long hand is on 12. So it will be 6 o'clock. Next, both hand on a 12. So 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. In fourth watch, short hand is on 9 and long hand is on 12. So it will be 9 o'clock. Short hand is on 8 and long hand is on 12. So it is 8 o'clock. Next, short hand is on 1 and long hand is on 12, means it is 1 o'clock. So first question had done. Second question is draw the hours hand to show the time. यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ शॉर्ट हैंड ड्रॉ करना है. अवर हैंड मीन शॉर्ट, सो यहाँ पे आपको शॉर्ट हैंड ड्रॉ करना है. लॉन्ग हैंड ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ किया गया है. सो फर्स्ट क्लॉक शोज दैट 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock मीन्स जो शॉर्ट हैंड है वो आपको 2 पे पॉइंट करना होगा. सो दिस वे. नेक्स्ट 3 o'clock, सो शॉर्ट हैंड रहेगा 3 पे. Okay, 7 o'clock, so short hand is on 7, and 5 o'clock means short hand is on 5. Then last question, draw the hands of the clock to show the time. So यहाँ पे आपको दोनों hands जो है वो draw करने हैं. So in first watch 11 o'clock, so we have to show 11 o'clock. So for showing the 11 o'clock, draw the short hand on 11 and long hand on a 12. In second watch 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock के लिए आपको short hand जो है वो 6 पे draw करना होगा and long hand is on 12. 10 o'clock means short hand is on 10 and long hand is on 12. In last watch 2 o'clock, we have to show here 2 o'clock. For that we draw short hand pointed to the 2 and long hand pointed to the 12. So इस वे से exercise 2 हमें solve करना है. Next part is the calendar, days of week. So how many days are there in a week? So there are 7 days in a week. So एक week में कितने days होते हैं? 7 week. Their name are given in jumbled up order. Okay, jumble up order में दिया. बस before that यहाँ पे हमको order दिया है days of week का. So look at this chart, days of week. First day is Sunday. Sunday को हम सन ऐसे लिखते हैं, आपने कैलेंडर कभी देखा होगा. So कैलेंडर में short form होता है. Okay, so first day is Sunday. Second day is Monday. Third day is Tuesday. Fourth day is Wednesday. Then Thursday is fifth day. Sixth day is Friday, and last day, that is the Saturday. So Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday. Saturday, Saturday. So those are the 7 days in a week. Next, fill in the blanks. Wednesday is the first day of week. कौन सा day first day है? First day is Sunday. So this is the first fill in. So write Sunday here. Is the second day of week. Second day क्या होता है? देखो according to this Monday होना चाहिए. So write Monday here. Then come after Monday. Comes after Monday ऐसा कौन सा day है जो after means बाद में. So Monday के बाद में कौन सा आता है? Tuesday. So write Tuesday here. Then Wednesday is the dash day of the week. Which day is Wednesday? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 day है. So यहाँ पे आएगा 4th. Here comes between Wednesday and Friday. So Wednesday और Friday के बीच में कौन सा डे आता है? Which day comes between the Wednesday and Friday? So look at here, Wednesday and Friday के बीच में आता है Thursday. नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे इज द डे ऑफ द वीक. सो फ्राइडे कौन सा दिन है? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ. सो फ्राइडे इज द सिक्स्थ डे ऑफ द वीक. Is the last day of week. Which day is last day? Saturday. So write here Saturday. Next part है months and a year. So how many months are there in a year? So one year has 12 months. So एक साल में कितने months होते हैं? 12 months. So one year has 12 months. So their name are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so fill in करेंगे. January is the first month of year. February is the second month. February कौन सा month है? Second month. Second month of the year. Then March is the third month. Third month of the year. April is fourth month. Fourth month of the year. Then comes after April. April के बाद कौन सा month आता है? May. May comes after April. जून इज द मंथ ऑफ ईयर. सो जून कौन सा मंथ हो गया? अप्रैल है फोर्थ, देन मई हो गया फिफ्थ एंड जून हो गया सिक्स्थ. सो सिक्स्थ. नेक्स्ट इज बिटवीन द जून एंड अगस्त. और जून और अगस्त के बीच में कौन से मंथ आता है? जून, जुलाई, अगस्त. सो विच मंथ? जुलाई. Then is the 8th month of the year. So 8th month कौन सा होता है? August. So write August. Is the 9th month of the year. So 9th month कौन सा होता है? September. September is the 9th month of the year. October comes before. Means October किसके पहले आता है? November के. किसके पहले आता है? नवंबर. नेक्स्ट नवंबर कम्स बिफोर. नवंबर किसके पहले आता है? दिसंबर के पहले. नवंबर कम्स बिफोर दिसंबर. इज द लास्ट मंथ ऑफ द ईयर. कौन सा है लास्ट मंथ? दिसंबर इज द लास्ट month. So those are the months of the year. Thank you.